This one is pure tension from the jump. A mother shows up saying, "I want to see my kids," but officers are already reading a court order that says her visits must be supervised. Not whenever, not at the house, not on her terms. And the scary part? This isn't the first time. The father says this is the third unannounced visit, and they even suspect she was waiting near the school. So now police are stuck in the middle of a custody situation where emotions are high. The rules are written in black and white, and one wrong move can traumatize the kids. The key question is simple. Will she follow the order or force officers into an arrest right in front of the family?
I don't need no, yo quiero ver a mis hijos, ¿no? I want to see my kids. Yo quiero ver a mis hijos.
On April 3rd, 2024, officers were dispatched to a residence after a mother, prohibited by court order from unsupervised visits, arrived at the father's home and refused to leave.
It's a shelter. She said that it's a dog dependency shelter order. There we go.
Mother supervised, right? Visitation has to be supervised. But she doesn't want to be supervised. She said that DCF doesn't tell her.
That's not up to her.
So the mother wanted to have supervised visits, but she doesn't want them supervised. She wants to see them whenever she wants.
Okay, so supervised visitations at all times by DCF or an adult third party approved by the department.
Yeah.
Okay, has there been a third party approved by the department
No.
supervised? So is it just DCF?
It's only
The
DCF.
case manager,
Okay.
yeah.
But she doesn't
Shall
want that.
occur at the department's office, center, or a place agreed upon by parties a minimum of 1 time per week for 2 hours. Okay. Has there been any sort of visitation prior to today, or is this the first time?
That she shows up here? This is the third time she shows up.
Okay, and the other times, has she had supervision with DCF, or
No.
did she just come?
I didn't want to call the police. I just told her, you know that you should not be supposed to be here. Can you please go?
Last time was
Then she
last
went to
Friday.
the-
She was here for an hour and a half.
We believe that she was waiting for me in the school, which is she's
Her
not.
brother just called me. She called him. She was at school waiting for the kids. That's what I don't like.
And she cannot do that.
And then
either.
she saw you
cannot
and
be in
she was
school neither.
following you.
And yeah.
Because
she
the
was
school
waiting
is
for
right
me.
behind our house.
I'm the father.
No, Mama, just in case.
Yeah. I feel like she's stalking. She was stalking. She's
We
stalking.
don't want to
She
see
is
the
stalking.
kids seeing the police because they're going to go wild. But see, this is the third time that we have to deal with this. The first time that I'm calling the police. Because she doesn't want DCF doing the visits with her. She wants to see the kids without supervision. That's a big, problem here.
What's the context behind this? Was abuse involved?
Neglect.
Yeah, neglect. Child neglect.
Okay.
She's mentally unstable. So that's why they try to get her in like a mental institution, but she
doesn't want to.
She has
They
not
don't.
agreed.
They don't want to get her bill paid, which is crazy.
She doesn't live here, right?
No.
Okay.
She lives in
Yeah.
Tampa.
So I'm gonna go try to explain this to her.
Okay.
Does she have her own copy of this?
Yes.
Okay.
That was the first time that she showed up when they gave her the copy, kind of arguing with me that, what's this? Why are you doing this to me? Da, 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 da. I told her, you cannot be here, talk to the court. We just have the kids now, just talk to the court, please. And then she showed up last Friday because she canceled the appointment on Wednesday because it was with DCF, and she told DCF, no, I'm going to go see them on Friday without you. And she came in, thankfully we were not here, but I can see her through the camera. She sat here for like an hour and a half waiting for us to come back. And today, DCF called us yesterday. She just texted us that she's going to show up at the house tomorrow because she doesn't want DCF to have the visit. It has to be on her own terms. So they told us, be ready. She most likely is going to show up today, and she did.
This visitation on her own term stuff is not up to her.
No.
There's a court order with the Department of Children and Families when she can see her children. She has to abide by that. If not, you guys have to. I'm going to give you an event number. It's going to document why we were out here today. You guys need to, whenever your next visitation to child court is, you need to provide them with this. Let them know if she's violating the court order. They'll judge to take that into consideration with the court case. As of today, we can trespass her. Maybe he's already filled out trespass form.
Okay.
That'll be the first step towards having her stop coming here. If she comes back here, she can be arrested for trespassing.
Just for being here.
Just for being
After the
here.
line.
Because this is pretty set in stone. This is a court order. She can only be here supervised with DCF or a person that DCF chooses to have supervision with. And she cannot come here by herself. And she's been doing that. It's documented today. All this is on camera.
Okay.
So this is going to be a documentation that this happened. I'm going to explain that to her. We'll try our best to explain that to her. she's going to get trespassed. If she comes back here, she'll get arrested on site.
And you may want to do the visits at someplace other than
Yeah,
home,
not here.
because she's
No,
associated.
they're not supposed to be here. It's just that
okay.
the CF usually comes here,
Yeah.
but she doesn't want that. She wants to see them on her own
Yeah,
terms.
just to associate seeing the kids with some other locations.
Okay, Ms. Naismith, have you gotten a copy of this document right here? That's your court order from the Department of Children and Families.
Let me see.
I'm not going to let you see it. Just have you gotten a copy of
Wanna
this?
see? Because I have 3 different copies.
The question is, have you gotten a copy of this court order?
I'm not sure. Wanna see which
Okay,
one?
this court order says
what it's
that
dated.
this court order is dated February 5th, 2024.
Do you have that court order
Okay.
to you? Dated that day?
This is between you, your child's father, and this house right here regarding your children.
Saying what?
This court order right here says supervised visitation shall be supervised at all times by
I don't
the
need no
department.
supervising.
Doesn't matter what you think. This is what the court order is.
It is matter what I think.
Okay, this
It
is the court order, so you have to abide by this court order. If you do not abide by this court order, it's going to make things more difficult for you to see your children. Do you understand that?
The
Okay.
one who needs to go check is for my cousin kids.
Okay,
not
well,
me.
whatever grievance you have needs to be taken up with the court. Okay?
No, I want to see my kids.
Okay, supervised visitation shall occur at the department's office, a visitation center, or a place agreed upon by the parties one time per week per 2 hours.
No,
Okay?
I want to see my kids.
Okay? You can
That's
say
no reason at all.
you can say what you want, but this court order is standing. Meaning if you violate this court order, there's consequences. Okay?
There's no cousin.
Consequences is going to be making it difficult for you to see your children. Okay? What you're doing right now is just making things a lot more difficult for you. Okay? There is a court, so you can still see your children, but it's at the direction of the Department of Children and Families. When and where they said that can happen at. Not here. Okay? You can't just come here. You can't just come where the order said you can't go. Okay? Okay,
I
this
wanna see
house
my
right here,
kids normally.
I understand that. This house right here is not somewhere that you can be, okay? You can't just come here whenever you want without supervision.
I want to see my
Okay?
kids.
I understand that.
That's,
I'm gonna tell
I
you-
don't need that.
Just listen, I'm going to
that's-
tell you what's going to happen if
Does
you
not
keep
make
coming
any
here.
sense.
You're being trespassed from this
I'm not
property today.
trespassing at all.
Like I said, it doesn't matter what you think. What's going on is what's happening, okay? You're being warned to not come back here today, okay? If you come back here today, you're going to get yourself arrested.
Or any day from now.
Or any day from now on.
For
Do
what?
you understand that?
Okay, sir, can you let her know that she's trespassed her property?
I'm not trespassing. Yo no estoy traspasando. Quiero ver a mis hijos y ya.
Okay, go ahead.
Sabe muy bien lo que
How
pasó.
long is she trespassing?
Sabe muy bien lo que pasó.
You need to tell her how long is it.
Sabe muy bien lo que pasó.
Okay, let her know.
Sabe muy bien lo que pasó.
You are permanently trespassed from this house. If you return here, you will be arrested on
No,
site.
que me arresten, pero sabe muy bien lo que pasó. Sabe muy bien lo que
Why is she
pasó.
gonna get arrested? You're not supposed to be
Sabe
here.
muy
You
bien
cannot
lo que
trespass
pasó
this in
con
this
los
house
nenes.
never ever
Que
again
viene
from now
Titi
on.
Diana a traer ese
This is
nene.
where it becomes a compliance situation. The officer gives a direct command. Leave immediately, and then a countdown. You have 15 seconds to leave. That's not for drama. It's to remove ambiguity and show she was given a final clear chance. She stays, repeats, "I want to see my kids," and argues the order is wrong. Then comes the predictable outcome. Step out of the car, hands behind your back, and stop fighting. The transcript also shows she's pulling away and yelling, "My arm," which is common when someone is being controlled during an arrest. And here's the key. She isn't arrested for wanting to see her kids. She's arrested because she refused lawful orders to leave after being trespassed, and then it escalates into resisting. Viewer question: once the countdown hits 0, should police always follow through? Or should they reset and try again to avoid force?
Traer ese nene y hace mucha falta de respeto con mis hijos.
Do you want to sign your warning or no?
No, I'm not gonna say
Okay, would
nothing.
you like a copy of your warning?
Sabe muy bien lo que pasó con los nenes. Y todo lo que me hicieron a mí en el afuera.
You will
Yo
still
no
be
estoy
able,
mal, yo no estoy
Ms.
loca.
Naismith, you will still be able to see your children, just not here.
But no supervising. I don't need no supervising.
Okay, that is not up to you.
Yes, it is.
That is up to the
Sí,
state.
yes, it is. I don't need
Okay.
no supervising.
Okay, you need to leave.
I don't need no. Yo quiero ver a mis hijos, ¿no?
Okay.
I wanna see my kids.
You need to leave.
Yo quiero ver a mis hijos.
No, you need
Ma'am.
to leave.
No.
We'll take care of that part, guys. You guys pay for it too. Thank you. Have a good night. Sure.
Okay, you have been permanently trespassed from this place. You need to leave immediately.
I wanna see my kids.
If you do not leave, I will pull you out of the car and put you in handcuffs and take you to jail. You need to leave right now.
I wanna see my kids. No, I wanna see my kids.
You have 15 seconds to leave. If you do not, I will pull you out of the car and put you in
I wanna see my
handcuffs.
kids. They know what they did.
15,
No, I wanna see my kids.
14,
I wanna see my kids.
13.
I wanna see my kids.
12, 11. You can leave, ma'am.
I wanna see
10.
my kids. No.
9. 8.
They're doing it wrong.
7.
They're doing it wrong.
6. 5. 4. 3.
They're
Leave.
doing
It's
it
the last
wrong.
warning, ma'am.
They're doing it wrong.
2.
They're doing it wrong.
1.
Sit out of the car for a bit.
No.
Sit out of the car. Step out of the car, ma'am. Stand up, please. Put your hands behind your back.
No.
Drop your cell phone.
I wanna see
Careful.
my kids.
Put your hands behind your back, ma'am. Put your hands behind your back, please. Ma'am, hold your hands. I got it.
I don't wanna see my kids. They'll be lying.
Ma'am, stop
They'll
fighting.
no, they'll be
Stop
lying.
resisting. Okay.
They'll be
You
lying.
have a small wrist, so watch.
They'll be lying. They'll be
Okay,
lying.
don't drop your cell phone. We don't
They're
want you
lying.
to
They're
watch your
lying.
head. Get your car keys.
I need my arm. Okay, my arm. I wanna see
your
my
feet?
kids. They're lying. They are lying.
Okay.
They are lying. Oh my god. My arm.
Okay, we're going that way.
Ay,
Going that way.
for what?
You're under arrest.
No,
Because
give
you refuse to
me.
leave.
Give me. But oh my god.
Yep. Get your car keys right here.
Ay, wait. They're flying.
Can I search you real quick, ma'am? Do you have anything on you?
I know.
Do you have any drugs on you? Do you
No.
have any weapons?
No.
I'm just gonna check you real quick, all right?
Ay, they'll be lying.
I'll move our car on
Everybody.
the street and park it legally. Yeah, go ahead. All right. What we're gonna do is we're gonna end up parking your car on the street. So when you're released from jail, you can come pick it up. Okay.
They'll be lying.
Okay. There was no need to have this
They'll
happen.
be lying. Everybody.
Okay. So you need to talk to the court in order to have contact with your children. It sounds like
They'll
you.
be lying. And they know that. Ay, can you put it? Can you untie it?
Yeah. See, she's got 2 fingers there.
No.
And 2 fingers there.
Ay,
So-
can you?
You can't. She
Check
got
your pockets for weapons, ma'am.
Oh, I got money.
Back of my
Ay.
hand. The back of my
Okay.
hand.
My kid, that's
some
it.
stuff in the front right there.
You gotta follow the court
No,
orders now.
no, because everybody have been lying.
Okay.
And they don't want to accept it.
Every time you come back here, this is going to continue to happen. You want to follow directions.
No, everybody
I
have
got
been
it.
lying. They knew what they did.
You're just making things a lot harder for yourself now.
No, I'm just defending.
Okay.
Okay.
Step us to the car, please.
I threw my arm.
I'll go legal. I'll park it out of this property. Okay, she was arrested for refusing to our orders to leave, so she's going to Pinellas County Jail right now. She's only trespassed from the actual physical property, so she's allowed to be in the street. So she can come back when she's released from jail and pick up her car. And we're just going to make it really clear to her that when she comes back, that she can't come on the property. If she does come on the property, go ahead and take a photograph or a video of it. So there's proof. Yeah, so then we have the officer can have proof if it becomes a problem. Does that make sense? And she'll just get arrested again, right?
Okay.
So, okay, guys, have a good night, okay?
When you get out, you can come back and get your car, but do not go back onto their property. You're gonna
Why
get
not?
trespassed Because you've been trespassed. You
I'm
cannot
not
come there.
trespassing at all.
That's why you're under arrest right now.
I'm
You're
not trespassing. I want to see my kids. They knew what happened. They knew what they did.
Ma'am, I need you to listen to me, okay?
And they knew what they did. And all my family too. They'll be lying.
Okay, listen to me.
They'll be lying.
I have kids myself.
They'll
I
be
understand.
lying. No, I want to see my kids. That's it.
I understand.
No.
But you got to follow the court's rules. You know,
No, that court rule, that everything is false. Everything is false.
if you have a grievance, you have to take it out to the court. You can't just do what you want to do.
Everything is false. What is saying in that paper? Or what are they trying to do? Well, because it's not me and it's not them. It's some other people that they just want to try to.
Okay. If you have
to
something
mess up everything.
If there's something that you want changed, you have to bring that in front of the court and get it changed. You can't just show up and do whatever you want to do.
What? No, I need my kids. I want to see my kids, and that's it. I don't need no supervising to see my kids at all.
That is what the
They knew what they did. No. The one who needs to be supervising is the one who came to my house and damaged my family and all that stuff.
Okay.
And their kids. Not me.
You're just not listening. So.
It's not me.
The woman was charged with criminal trespass and resisting arrest. Court records show she was charged with the same offenses in 3 separate incidents following this case.
So here's the full picture. Officers respond because a mother, restricted by a court order to supervised visitation only, shows up at the father's home and refuses to leave. The father reports repeated prior incidents and concern about school contact. Police verify the court order, document the violation, and issue a trespass warning to stop her from returning to the property. When she refuses to leave, despite repeated commands and a countdown, officers remove her from the car and arrest her. According to the transcript, she's charged with criminal trespass and resisting arrest, and it also states court records show additional similar charges in separate incidents after this case. The broader takeaway is accountability. Custody orders exist to protect kids and keep contact structured and safe, and when someone tries to override the process on their own terms, it often ends exactly like this: legal trouble instead of reunification. If you found this breakdown as intense as we did, hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more real-life bodycam breakdowns.